On problem E, we're asked to find the length and the midpoint of the line segment joining these two coordinates. So we're going to use the distance formula and the midpoint formula. So let me transfer the coordinates over to here. We have 3, 1, and -4, 7. Now, one thing about coordinates is they have an x and a y coordinate. So I'm going to call this the first x coordinate, and this 1 right there, the first y coordinate. Over here, since this is a second point, I'm going to call this the second x coordinate, and this the second y coordinate. Now I'm ready to find the distance between these points and the midpoint. So the distance formula is as follows. Distance equals the square root of the difference of the x coordinates squared added to the difference of the y coordinates squared. So in this case, when we substitute in those values, I get -4 minus 3 squared plus 7 minus 1 squared, which is -4 minus 3 is -7. When you square it, you get 49. And right here, when you square 7 minus 1, you'd get 36. So I think we get the square root of 85. And I don't think that reduces, so, or you can't simplify that radical. So I think it's just the square root of 85. Next, we'll find the midpoint. The midpoint formula is this. It's the average of the x coordinates, gives you the midpoint's x coordinate, and the average of the y coordinates gives you the midpoint's y coordinate. So when we substitute these values in, using our coordinates there, we have 3 plus -4 over 2 and 1 plus 7 over 2, which gives us -1/2, comma, 4. So there's our midpoint and there's our distance.